Asọ̀rọ̀ fìjà lọ TV. Ọ̀rọ̀ rèé lẹ́nu Sheikh Daud igi ogun. Wọ́n mọ̀ ní tá bá sọ fọ́mọ ẹni agbọ́, bàbá kìlọ̀ fọ́mọ ẹni àgbà. Wọ́n mọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ rẹpẹtẹ tó pọ̀ sílẹ̀ látàrí kíni wípé gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ onímọ̀ ẹ̀rọ Ṣèyí Mákindé wọ́n ní ọ̀rọ̀ táwọn sọ ní ìjọ́ kìíní àná káná bá gbọ́ ni tán bá mú un lò kò bá ṣe wọ́n láǹfààní àmọ́ wọn ò gbọ́ ọ̀tọ̀ ní tán mójútó. Bàbá wa Daud igi ogun wọ́n mọ̀ ìyànyàn náà rọ. Ìjẹ́ ká ní gómìnà bá gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ó mọ̀ ṣeéṣe kó ṣe wọ́n láǹfààní. Wọ́n ní níjọ́ kìíní àná táwọn sọ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ká ní gómìnà bá gbọ́ ni kò bá mọ̀ ṣe wọ́n láǹfààní o. Gbẹ̀ntọ́ yẹn kan mójútó kọ́nà mójútó nǹkan mìíràn rán. Ohun tó kàn wọ́n ní omi, iná, títì, ìtọ́kan gómìnà láti mójútó nù tán fi ń lọ mójútó ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́balọ́ba àtàwọn baálẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu Sheikh Daud igi ogun bọ́rọ̀ náà ṣe lọ lẹ́sẹẹsẹ. Ẹ ṣe ẹ máa tẹ̀lé kan yìí Sọ̀rọ̀ fìjà lọ TV.
Ọ̀yọ́ Aláàfin dà ó ní ọ̀dà inú ìlú tó mọ orí Ọ̀yọ́ Aláàfin ṣùgbọ́n àwọn kan bẹ́ o 97% ni wọ́n ayé kọ́ kankan lórí Facebook tí wọ́n máa pé ẹ̀sẹ̀ máa tọ́ dà. So never and ever saying that pé Ọ̀yọ́ dà Ọ̀yọ́ sì mọ orí Ọ̀yọ́ àti máa fi dáadáa san orí nítorí wípé lẹ́nu ìrìn àjò ọjọ́ mẹ́ta ìdí mọ̀ kọ́yọ̀ mọ orí mi ní sọ jù bá mi lọ torí pé ẹ̀wọ̀n tá a jà lọ́njọ́ ní tá à ń sọ òdodo tá à ń sọ original ọ̀rọ̀ fún ìjọba Ọ̀yọ́ state wípé ṣé governance ó yàtọ̀ sí àfọ ok tábàlà ní gómìnà ẹ dá ọ̀nà ẹ múná wá ẹ dá títì ẹ abandon assignment yín ẹ lọ sí sọ ló sọ̀rọ̀ àjọba ní Ṣakí àjọba ní Ṣẹ́yìn ọba mélòó la fẹ́ jẹ governance. These are the things we are expected from them but they fail to do that for us. Ọlọ́run sì ń gbà àánú dìde ọ̀bí o sí Ọlọ́run dẹ́nu lo àwa kọ̀ọ̀kan mo sì ń pàrọwà fáwọn èèyàn tó wà ní gbogbo àgbáńlá ayé pé Ọ̀yọ́ ẹ bá wọ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ lónìí ẹ rí i pé bàbá wa láàfin ìbá ọmọ Ọ̀yọ́ lọ́ra mọ́tò fún ọ mọ́tò tí ẹ tá à ń rí náà gómìnà kan lọ́ra ààrẹ kan lọ́ra rọ́ ọmọ Ọ̀yọ́ Aláàfin ló rà. So what I'm saying ni pé lónìí tílẹ̀ mọ́ yìí Ọ̀yọ́ Aláàfin ṣetán láti tún ìlú bàbá wọn sí. Mo sì ń pàrọwà fún gbogbo àti ń bú lọ́balọ́ba lórí Facebook tí wọ́n ń bú Ọọ̀ni tá à ń bú Aláàfin ká kó nínú bíbú àwọn ọba yìí nítorí pé aṣáájú wa ni wọ́n. By the time you wà ọmọlúàbí tí a máa ń pè ọmọlúàbí Yorùbá ló ní ká gbìyànjú ẹni tí máa ń sa ìdápò padà kó ń bẹ́ ẹni tí bá dẹ̀ ń ṣe dáadáa kó ṣe dáadáa tiẹ̀. Project ìkọlà àkọ́kọ́ sà immigration níbi táwọn èèyàn ti ń jókòó níbi immigration Alhaji Ajibola Afọ̀njá ọlọ́jà lè kí a mú ojú àgbo Alhaji Ajibola Afọ̀njá wọ́n lójú ayé wọn máa fi wà láyé tá a bẹ̀rẹ̀ immigration tá a fẹ́ kọ́ ibi shed yẹn we spent almost 9 million. Baba Ajibola Afọ̀njá gave me 1.5 million. Wọ́n ní Amadu fún wa ní 1 million. Wọ́n ní ẹni tó dá Hayes ó fún wa ní 500,000. He gave me that 1.5 million and the remaining 7.5 million came directly from my purse as a shed, as a toilet. The méjì sí mẹ́ta síbẹ̀. Alhamdulillah àsìkò mọ́sálásí fọ́lọ́ náà níbẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni Agro Rangers local government join me with 4 million. But the remaining amount, which is 7 million, raised by Imam Daud. Alhamdulillah, this is the third one. So it's not the first one. And I will never seek for any election today and tomorrow by excuse. Àmọ́ mo fi ń wà náà lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run lónìí àti lọ́la láti kí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ tọ́lọ̀ bá kẹ́ tọ́lọ̀ ń mú ní gbogbo àgbáńlá ayé ní Saudi Arabia ni o ní America ni o ní developed countries wọ́n máa kúnjọba lọ́wọ́ torí pé it's not possible for government to do everything. Thank you very much. Just to answer that. If you guys any other thing, just let me know.
Let me give you a summary of what our father have spoken in the last couple of minutes. One, he has told us that this project that we are all seeing is going to cost 75 million naira, including this is the hangar where we are going to have the 2 trucks.
Because we have 2 trucks.
It's
only Oyo and Abia that is having 2 trucks.
It's only Oyo and Abia.
Except Lagos, Port Harcourt, and Abuja.
And not just that alone, the 75 million naira is coming from his purse. The local government, the state government, the federal government are not financially involved in this project
at all.
The only thing the federal government did was to give us the trucks and approval, and the responsibility of the housing.
Even the approval is with me, I will give it to you.
Oh, the responsibilities that you are seeing today came from Imam Daud Igiogun, and not just that alone. Now, Imam Daud is not contesting for any elected post either yesterday, today, or tomorrow.
Inshallah.
He is not interested in a political appointment. He's not seeking political appointment. He's doing his part as an indigene of Oyo with the love of the town. And not just that alone. Alhaji Imam Igiogun also have informed us that this project that you are seeing is the 3rd project. He told us that the shed at the immigration center
and the 2 toilets
were constructed. That the people who supported that project, Alhaji Amadu and Yinka Fonja, they supported to the tune of 1.5 million, and the remaining 7 million came from him. 7.5. I'm sorry. That project did cost about 9 million. These are things that you can go and verify. We also cleared the air on the insinuations and the misleading information that there was this 10 million naira that was given to the Oyo Muslim community through Alhaja Monsurat. And he said, look, come out with your facts. This money, how it was disbursed, he has cleared the air on that. And anybody who feels otherwise should come forth. And even those who actually are misinforming everybody that this project has been paid for, they should please come out with their facts. If not, they should stop and tender apologies and not mislead the people. And he has also said, let us work with our traditional rulers. And he has also called on the state government to be proactive in their responsibilities to the people. That the governance is very, very important. That these are things which state governments actually should be involved in, providing for the citizenry, not what they actually engaging currently into. Because
even we are expecting them to be commissioning projects at this stage. By the time you are going home, you have to commission some projects that you have been done at the age of 7 years of the government, and you are going from one place to another looking for irrelevancies. I don't want to go deep on that.
So right now we thank our father, because actually so many times I've come around here, he has not been physically available, but today we men of the pen and paper profession, we know how to find, we will keep on coming until we get our result, because there have been so many insinuations and false stories in town, and it is high time that everybody actually get to hear it. And that is why today we are running live for you all to see.
Even the approval that government gave it to me, I will give it to you now.
So you have opportunity of seeing it, because he also informed us that it is not when he was requesting for this project.
I wrote
a letter directly to the Ministry of Interior in his own name, and the name approval was given to him. He could have, assuming he did sell it, you and I will not see. But today, what we are saying today is patriotism at the highest level. I is encouraging every one of us to be patriotic and let your town come first.
And I really appreciate the federal government, present government.
And is also appreciating the federal government for the approval, and not just that alone. The Federal Fire Service Training School also that have been approved is also coming to Oyo. So we have a lot that, imagine the federal government will begin to train people here in Oyo. Oyo is a nodal town and is blessed, and we should always.
Just let me tell you one thing: we have more than 99 workers that are working presently. Let me just ask myself: are they going? Are they going to be fasting throughout? They will buy something from different markets here. Many of them will bring in their children to different schools, both private or public schools. And it's also hard more the development of our town. We really appreciate the government, and we are still expecting more. If we are having 99 staff that will be renting different houses here in Oyo, you know what that means. We really thank God. We really appreciate the life of Gomina, late Buhari and the president. Thank you very much.
Yeah, we thank you
and
all.
We thank the chairman of our local government that released the land. That's just the effort.
We are thanking the federal government for approval of this project. We are also thanking the state, the local government chairman
that released the land.
That also facilitated and released this land for use for what we are seeing today. We thank everybody for what they are doing, and we will continue to encourage you all, your town to come first, and the improvement and betterment of the lives of the people. May God continue to bless Oyo and bless everyone. Thank you, and God bless.
Thank you.